Hello Internet, I'm Guy. If you've been following my channel for the last several months, you might have seen at least one of the weird clocks that my friend Dave and I have been collaborating on for the last several years. So what you're looking at in front of me here is number 15 of the series of clocks that we've been making. Now yes, I know, of course, it doesn't look like a clock. That's the whole point. It's supposed to look visually interesting and tell time in a relatively inscrutable way, and that's what makes it fun for both of us. So the inspiration for this clock was a video that I'll link to below by another YouTuber who's a Russian guy who was exploring magnetism and electromagnetism. And the principle behind this, before I demonstrate it for you, is that there's an electromagnet down inside of here that this steel rod goes down through, and it's about 70 watts, but it's running on alternating current, 60 hertz. So when it powers up, it creates an electrical field that excites energy, electrical energy, in this aluminum cylinder. There's no magnet in here. So what happens then is there's a repulsion effect between the electromagnet in the base and the electrical field that produces a magnetic field in this little slug of aluminum. The other interesting part of it is because you have an alternating field here, I have a coil of wire in this section right here that lights up a bunch of LEDs in this section that creates light in this whole part right here. So the way it shows time is this. It's approximately about 6:25 right now, I believe. So you take this part, which has a magnet in it, and when I place it in front here, it triggers a magnetic read switch, and that then tells it to start showing time. So here we go. I'm going to put it right there. Right there, yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I set it to 7, right. So it's 7 p.m. and 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 35. Time's gone by since the last time I set it. So it's 7:35. 7 high bounces, and then times 5 minutes for the minutes. So we really enjoy this, but then we started fooling around with, okay, what else can we do to make it interesting? We've never done a convertible clock before. Since this is eminently removable, we thought, well, why don't we put some alternative discs on it like this? And there's a little rubber disc in here. I'm going to move over to that just to make it have a soft landing here. Otherwise, it kind of goes clack. So now if this goes down here, then you can see it. I'll restart it by moving this away, bringing it up here again, and there you are. Oh, it's a little sticky right now for some reason, but you get the idea. And then I can also swap out the white disc as well. There was a lot of precision engineering in this, of course, the mechanical engineering to do this, and I don't know what was going on with this, but let's see if it'll work properly now. Huh, no, it's gotten a little sticky. Oh, I see what's going on. Something got a little loose there. I'll just adjust it. There we go. Okay, so we start again, and there it is. White on white. So then I'm going to jump into showing you how it works and why it works and what's going on the inside real quick. So I'm going to cut to an inside shot here, and this will show you the electronics. So the electronics consists of 2 different parts. There's a circuit board that takes a signal from the microcontroller inside and then converts that into varying power to the AC transformer that then powers the solenoid. But then there's a microcontroller in there that I programmed to do all this movement, and a real-time clock inside that is backed up by a battery, so that if this is left unplugged for months, it will still know the time, and you can just jump right back in, plug it in, it'll work. So we're pretty pleased with this one. It's number 15 in the series that we've been working on, and we have so many ideas. There are many more to come. So if you stay tuned to my channel, sometime in the next few months, you'll see another weird clock. Thanks for watching, and please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and if you want to subscribe and see more of my strange projects, please do.